Alright guys, here we are. Back at Toys R Us. I like this figurine, they're nice. Really nice figurines, Star Wars figurines. We came here looking for Hot Wheels, M2s, green lights. That's what we came here for. Ooh!
Alright, let's go guys.
I see some nice 5-packs.
No, this is our cart right here.
Alright, I'm gonna have to go around and wait for this lady.
Hold on, Grant, look at this.
Alright, we'll be right back to that section because that lady is right there with her kids. And we're right here. Ooh. Okay. Alright, here we are. And see guys, hopefully we'll find something. I don't really like coming to I look at the names right under here, that's why you see me just standing still. I don't like coming to Toys R Us on during the day because if you know, everybody, you know, brings their kids so that the kids can, I guess, run around and play around and look at the toys and it's pretty hard. Wow, look at this. Can't believe people do that. People willing to get in trouble for a little 390 something car. It's unbelievable. But anyways, thank God it's none of us guys, right? None of us do stuff like that. We don't crack open cars inside the store. We don't never ever do that, guys. I don't encourage anyone to do that because, you know, it's not your property. It's not yours. You haven't bought it yet. So, you know, I wouldn't encourage any of my viewers to do that, guys. So, you know, if you're not gonna buy it, don't crack it open, you know, because it's not yours. That's my view on it. Look at this nice 5-packs from Matchbox. I hadn't seen those. First time I see these. This is a nice pack. Look at that. Okay. See, these are the cars in it. Get this 74 Volkswagen Type, Checkers Cab, Rescue Waiver, Baja Bullet, and Chevy van. All right, look at that. Volkswagen car. Volkswagen right here. Van right here. Checker cab. Nice. We're right next to price check, so I think we better move. Check out the Matchbox. I like my Matchbox. Got a whole bunch at home. I should do a video showing you all the Matchbox I have, right? Because I told you guys when I get my man cave, I'm gonna put together a nice decoration for my cars, you know, Hot Wheels and Hot Wheels and Matchbox cars I have. So, alright, just going through this real quick. Again, it's during the day, and during the day it's really crazy here. Very crazy. Just looking to see if we find something. If not, we go into the next store. Again, it's the middle of the day. What time is it? Like, what time is it? It's like 2:42. 2:42. 2:42. 5-packs. Look at that. For those who like 5-packs, guys. Toys R Us 5-packs. 40% off. Go get them now. Grab them. Get them while they're hot. Get them while they're hot. Right. Let's see. Let's head back over here. Oh, look at this. That's one right here. Let me take a look at this. All right. Again, guys, to go hunting, it takes discipline, you know, and patience. You can't be desperate if you go out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days and you don't find what you're looking for, and you just go back again, you know, so you find it. And go right back out. Matchbox NYPD 5-pack, very popular. You go just you know, go back out again and until you find it. That's just how it goes when you're hunting. Ooh, look at this. All right. That's how it is, guys. Got the gas monkey. Hitch and tow. Hey, let's go. Gas monkey, hitch and tow. Imagine if I find this in a green. Imagine if I find this in a green light. Supernatural. Alright. Look at this. Boom. I found it in the yellow. Let me see if I get the sticker right there. Limited edition. Whoa. There you go, guys. Limited edition M2. Holler, the yellow variation of the Goodyear. Alright, we have that here. Hold that right there. Oh, look at that. Lost. Imagine if we get a green. Wow. There's so many and there's none? None green? Come on. Give me a break. No green. No green. It's got to be a green here. Let's keep looking. Remember I said patience? Look at that. Boom. I don't think, no, this ain't no chase. Woo! Blues Brothers. Look at that, guys. Blues Brothers right there. Hitch and tow. Blues Brothers hitch and tow. Before I continue, let's focus down here. Elvis Jeep. Look at the Elvis. Ooh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Oh, look what I found. Limited to, first, let me show you. Limited to 3,800 pieces. Nice little truck right there. This is the, what is this? 1956 Ford F100 truck. Limited to 3,800. Okay. Somebody went through this already. Look at the mice to Harley. All right. We got the big, huge M2s right here. M2s. Okay. Alright, before we continue, we have the yellow variation of the Goodyear hauler right here with the limited edition car. We found the blue the other day, remember, guys? Alright, we got the Blues Brothers hitch and tow right here. Imagine if I get this in a green. Let's see. Never know. Nothing. Alright, all terrain now. I've seen these all-terrains with red wheels. I guess it's like a new, sort of like a new, okay, it's not done that. It's like a new, I guess, series. I wish I find these in the AutoZone pack, the AutoZone version. That'll be nice. All right, still looking. Nope, I'm not a fan of that. Let's see some greenies back here. Nope. Okay. More greenies right here. Nothing here. Look at this. Nice, right? All right. Got the Enzo. Ooh. Nasty. Okay, 9,800 pieces. Johnny Lightning, nothing. Johnny Lightning, come on. Johnny Lightning. Okay. Okay, let's see more haulers down here. Oh, look at this. Nice. This is a nice GM, damn. Look at that. Okay, you see this nice GM right here. Okay, guys, who wants one? Look at that, huh? Two more right here. See the sticker? Two more, the yellow version. Variation. Two more. Who wants one, huh? Who needs, huh? Got a whole bunch for you. GM Pontiac. Hauler, what is this right here? Okay. All right. There's more. Okay, that's another GM. This is okay. What is this right here? Come on. Okay. So, if anybody needs the yellow Goodyear hauler, the Goodyear hauler, limited edition, I'm gonna have a couple. I'm gonna hold on to them. Okay. And then you just let me know if you want them, right? That'll be it for this video, guys. So we found the hauler. All right. So let me know, guys. Until then, happy hunting. God bless. Any questions, suggestions, comments, like, subscribe to this channel. Let me know, guys, okay? Cool day. We found some stuff. All right. So hit me up. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment and let me know if you need any of these. Happy hunting. God bless.